I hope you're well out there and staying safe, and welcome to the channel. My name is Jeff. We've got a little trivia quiz for you today. It is all about glass fusing basics. There's only 5 questions, and I'm sure a lot of you will know the answer to these, but if you're a beginner there may be a couple in there that you're not sure about. Anyway, are you ready? Let's go. Well, what did you think of that? All of those questions are fairly self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go into much about them. But if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments section for me. I'd love to try and answer them for you. And consider becoming a member, subscribing, and share this around. I'd really appreciate that. And don't forget, on the channel there are also a lot of full-length tutorials to do with glass fusing. Anyway, that's it for this one. Don't forget, I say that a lot, don't I? I'll start again. Anyway, don't forget. Anyway, that's it for this one. And up here, you'll find a button for becoming a member and some information. Down here, the subscribe button and a suggested video just for you. And until the next one, I'll say bye for now.